Why deposit fails? Here are the three common causes and how to fix them. So first off is the you're not using your first reason is most of the time is incorrect or using incorrect bank account, or if you're using another person's bank account that's not the same with your wise. So that's one of the reason. So I suggest for the fix there is using your the same bank account that is the same name here on your what do you call this, on your wise. And the second thing is morely about your the deposit pay or the bank details, like make sure the numbers are correct, and also that the name and other information are correct when you're gonna deposit on your wise account. Make sure everything is on correct so you won't have any troubles. So yeah. And the third thing is security check. Sometimes you might just the fingerprint because most of the time the fingerprint is like the one that causes like a stuck on this when you're confirming a bank account. So I suggest just inputting the pin that you've added right here. So most of the time I have a sweaty thumb, so whenever we're gonna put in my scan my thumb right here, it's gonna be like sweat and it won't scan it properly. So I suggest entering the pin if ever possible, so you won't make any much more mistakes or many much more errors when depositing. But yeah, there you go, guys. So there, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have no question concerns, you can always start with a question, but guys, I will answer as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.